Big man.
Well, both sides in good spirits down pitch side. Just before
manning the wickets. That's it. And that's the Indian lineup.
confidence. India first chance to have a look at Robbie Thapa, who's now living in Dubai and flying all around the world, and Bharat Chipley, a very clean striker of the ball. Two very talented sides, and you can just feel the noise and the atmosphere just lift. Here we go, match 7. Gone! Oh, he's put it down, can you believe it? I thought it was a spectacular catch, top right hand corner, it just snuck through the hands.
You would have gobbled it with one hand, Nobby. As easy as it comes. Could have been a big blow here. Oh, slightly late on that one. And look at the reaction from the bowler.
5 yards back. Lovely timing. Well, he got lucky with the first did, Robbie, but I tell you what, that second ball, it backed up his decision to wear those glasses. Very cool.
Rather cool. Exquisite. It's just game awareness.
Up and over the offside, that's his favourite area. 4-4-6, beautiful.
Wow, what a shot that is. He did not try and hit this hard at all, but it's gone. Hit the ball. Trust your swing.
4 runs down the fine leg. This is a wonderful start from Robbie Thapa, who's playing cricket all around the world. Beautiful. That's a thing of beauty.
But like I say, just everything there is in perfect high elbow.
Robbie Thapa. Oh, it's the Verinder Sehwag uppercut. We've got a chance earlier to get to... Gone! Clean them up! Captain v captain, and Fahim Ashraf delivers for Pakistan.
Big wicket, an absolute massive wicket. The Pakistan skipper, just when his team needed him, he makes the massive breakthrough, knocks him over, clean as a whistle. India lose their first wicket.
Huge moment. The Thapa played well for 31, but India. Beautiful timing. Good pitch. Fantastic batters. Well, this is a huge...
See ya.
Well, that's just flogged into the leg side.
This is a lot of Indian batters would do. They might hit a lot of boundaries rather than the sixes. Yes, they will look to hit sixes, but they're very smart, especially in this format.
Where does Ashraf go here? Can he hide the ball and try and squeeze a dot? Oh, flickage. Straight to the man! Abhishek Junjawala, he said they're clever. That was not.
Absolutely.
Leg byes, 4 leg byes. I'm sure it was just off the hip. No runs given.
Yeah, I thought came off the high pad. Surprise.
Beautiful hit. Wonderful strike. Over the cameraman, bringing you these wonderful shots. Flogged. 6 more. Second over of a bowler's spell so early, Cambo, is a good ploy.
Well, you can only blame the skipper. He's the one who's given himself the second over. But yeah, it's an inch.
There's the Yorker. Flicked for a lovely boundary. 6-6-4. We did see Asif Ali bowl the 6th over of off-spin in Pakistan's win. He picked up a couple of wickets, but yes, generally bowling pace on.
Look at that magnificent wrist, getting that through midway. Us mere mortals, our wrists would probably snap trying to do that.
Oh, look at that dance. That's a proper move.
That'll be you tonight, Abby.
Maybe.
Definitely. I'll be there with you. pumped, powerful, 4.
Brilliant. Just brilliant from Bharat Chipley. Quickly on to 26 of just 8. 20 of this over with 2 deliveries remaining. Again, the balance is the key there.
Yeah, beautiful cricket shot. It just goes to show this game. It just moves so fast. You just thought Pakistan were almost crawling their way back into this game, and suddenly, in the blink of an eye, India back on top.
Holding the pose here, Bharat Chipley, when he strikes those lusty blows. Top edge. That's going to go all the way for another 6. He loves his photography, and he's given the cameraman here and the photographers plenty of opportunities to snap him.
Poor old fast bowlers. There's not too much grace. Probably done him for pace there. He's on the money. Top edge goes for 6. Sorry.
That could have gone another 10-15 yards the way that ball carried straight into the side screen behind the keeper. The big over this, 26. Can he get another boundary to finish it off? Make it a 30-32 run over.
What a blow! 50 up for Fahim Ashraf. 4 done, 85 for 2. The St. Talat starts with his off cutter. Gets the gap, gets a boundary. The last over, the last ball of the 4th over, there was a beautiful 6. But just have a look. A bit of ball tracking. Now then, what's happening over here? Just keep an eye. Another slower ball. Well, that's a short arm straight jab for 6 into the hospitality tents.
Again, slow ball into the pitch, which really has given them nothing. And just holding the pose, trusting the swing, manhandling it over the boundary for 6.
Just the way he delayed his shot.
Again, a slower ball, thick inside edge. It's a valiant effort. They'll have to check that. I think there was probably some connection between keeper and boundary cushioning. I send it upstairs just to check.
He looks like he's done a good job. He's given it everything. Putting it on the line, is it? Oh.
In the gap, just about gets the gap. Another boundary.
A little bit disappointed. 2 full tosses. He could have hit for 6. Getting boundaries.
You did say though, Abby, that you're probably more of a boundary hitting team as opposed to a 6 hitting team. 8 maximum so far. Now that's evidence to back up your point. To make a dent. That's going to be flicked away, leg side, little under edge, and Binny all over it.
That's a good score already. 117. If they're going to pick up another boundary or 2, puts them in a very strong position batting first.
You would say is
Obviously, India such a powerhouse in world cricket now, and I know when the Sixers was first spoken about coming back, they knew they needed India to come, and thankfully here they are, and the crowds are really enjoying every minute of it.
there are plenty of games coming up. England, Australia will be up very soon, and South Africa, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Great effort from the association here, Cambo, as well, to get this tournament up and running again. So credit to everyone within Hong Kong cricket to see the potential, bring the crowds through the gates and get the teams here.
100%. You know, this was such I guess a big fixture on the international dial, so to speak, years ago. But you know, we have to. Well, I say we, Hong Kong. You have to bring the teams to the country. We have to promote the game. We have to get people interested in it again. If it's Sixers or T20, whatever it is, it's being spoken about, and people of Hong Kong are embracing it, which is great.
Yeah, the Hong Kong national side are playing in Uganda at the moment in a World Cup qualifying League 2, I think it is. So they'll be up against Italy and Uganda and some other nations there. So some big games coming up for Hong Kong to try and get themselves back into that well, world stage again. It wasn't that long ago that they were competing at World Cup, so obviously a rich cricketing tradition here. Asif Ali had a really good game in the first game. Batted beautifully. Going to be up against a little bit of medium pace as Stuart Binney, who will show us all his variations here, Abhishek.
Oh, he will. And that he's the only fast bowler. Everyone else is going to be bowling spin. So this could get very interesting for India.
You're being generous there to your old mate Stuart Binney by calling him a fast bowler. Medium pace.
I said medium. I never said fast. But that's a good start for him. And he's somebody who's going to come and roll his arms and bowl a lot of slower deliveries. So as a batter, you expect that from him.
Toe of the bat. That'll be the first boundary of the chase here. And I reckon this is going to be a very, very entertaining run chase.
Well, they won't die wondering, Pakistan, that's for sure. We saw that in the first game. They do hit sixes. So they'll be backing their power game to chase down this target. It's why they wanted to bowl first. They wanted to know exactly what they needed.
Shahbaz Nadeem is the only bowler. Oh, that's a big shot. That's what they needed. The sixes, they'll put a lot of pressure on Stewart to bowl the next two deliveries after.
Well, I noticed the first three balls, none were at the same pace. He went bouncer, slower ball, off pace, and that was first ball he'd bowled. That was probably on pace.
Well, I don't think he got anywhere near the middle of the bat, but it doesn't matter. Hits it into the trees. Second six of the over.
Yeah, that's a beautiful cricket shot. Again, it's length. The wicket is so pure here. Trusts his swing of the bat, and that goes way, way back.
You can try and bowl slower delivery, but they don't really hold on to the surface as much as you would want as a bowler.
Thick outside edge. Can Robbie get there? Can he get there? No. Back for a couple. And a very good start. Toe of the bat. That'll be the first boundary of the chase here. And I reckon this is going to be a very, very entertaining run chase.
Well, they won't die wondering, Pakistan, that's for sure. We saw that in the first game. They do hit sixes. So they'll be backing their power game to chase.
The only bowler. Oh, that's a big shot. That's what they needed. The sixes, they'll put a lot of pressure on Stewart to bowl the next two deliveries after.
Well, I noticed the first three balls, none were at the same pace. He went bouncer, slower ball, off pace, and that was first ball he'd bowled. That was probably on pace, and he got met.
Well, I don't think he got anywhere near the middle of the bat, but it doesn't matter. Hits it into the trees. Second six of the over.
Yeah, that's a beautiful cricket shot. Again, it's length. The wicket is so pure here. Trusts his swing of the bat.
What is going on here? Pumped. It got what it deserved. It was an awful ball, and it was pumped for six.
It's unique, Niall. We like unique. That's what cricket's about. Everyone can do their own thing.
Well, we need Brad Hogg down there to try and take the catch. That's better. That's a normal action. It's gone for another one. Round arm, normal action, six.
I think Slingy was better. He went for four. But, oh no, back-to-back sixes. Look at that. Just a little shimmy down the track. Yeah, that's going to be the challenge for India. The bowling. They've got runs on board, but can they keep the Pakistan batters in check?
11 sixes in the tournament for Asif Ali. He's hit his first four of the tournament. Boo-hoo.
What's he doing? Come on, get on with it.
He's on 30 of just 6 deliveries here. Yeah, again, with the wicket keep being back, with no risk of stepping out. Nicely done.
38 without loss from just 10 balls. Pakistan. India under pressure. More. It's a buffet. Help yourself. 6 more.
Absolute carnage. Absolute carnage. 44 of just 11 deliveries. 23 of this over with 1 ball to go.
Yeah, that's just sitting back and waiting for it. Beautiful shot.
Another bit of spin. Left arm tweaker. More the same. Right arm, left arm, 6 runs. 50 up.
It doesn't matter who you bring at the moment. It's raining 6s here in Hong Kong, 6s. And now it's Ekla.
Got to do something different. Got to try something different here, India. It's not working.
Wow. It's literally help yourself stuff now. Batters are just sitting back in the crease and just waiting, trusting their swing, watching the ball, knowing they can get it over the rope, no problem. Pakistan on top.
That's last couple of deliveries pretty good from Nadeem. Again going for that Yorker, nicely played. This time he's going to pick up a boundary.
Such a fine line. He'd bowled 2 very good Yorkers, and there he's just missed by the most smallest of margins, but clubbed away for 4.
Haven't seen many bowlers go for a wide line Yorker. Tried to bowl generally straight Yorkers. Yeah, that's really poor bowling. It's down leg side. It's another Dorothy Dix. 24 off the over. Motoring along. 68 without loss. Six runs. Over extra cover. Easy as you like.
Well, this is just getting out of control. These Pakistani batters have been absolutely on fire. Just backing them to their skill set. Let's over cover, if you don't mind. It's not a massive flow of the bat. Gets plenty on it into the grandstand.
This could be another big over. They're doing it with such ease at the moment, the Pakistan batters. 75 already, just 3.1 overs.
Well, leg stump full toss, misses out. If you're a UAE cricketer who are also in this group, you're thinking, oh, back myself here against India with this bowling attack. Just chucking it out there. Clubbed, 6, bang, into the net.
You start an innings with a required rate of 20 and then you bring it down to 15 just after 3.3 overs. It just shows how excellent the batting has been.
It has been. I'm glad we got those nets up around the ground protecting people, because, gee, we've had some 6s here today.
Wonderful batsmanship, 156s now. That's going to be 4 down to fine leg, right in front of us here. 18 off the over. Pakistan here at the moment doing it at a canter.
I just trying to think of